Now, your home is the biggest investment you'll make in your lifetime, most likely. So understand the importance of the decision. So that's why I'm doing these videos. I'm here to help. Hello, my name is Shane Ellison. I'm the owner of Shane C Construction. Right now I'm at my backyard. I like plants, obviously. It's been a great year for plants. I mean, they've just taken off this year. This elephant ear is 4.5 feet wide. This banana tree is 12 feet tall. This red banana right here is about 11 feet tall. It's really taken off. That's not the reason for this video. This video is to help homeowners make good, strong, solid, sound decisions. As the owner of Shane C Construction, my goal is to help provide transparent, educated, valuable information to share with you, the homeowner, who's going through the process of gathering information so that you can make an educated, solid, sound decision for yourself, for your family, and for your home. Now, your home is the biggest investment you'll make in your lifetime, most likely. So understand the importance of the decision. So that's why I'm doing these videos. I'm here to help. Now, the video you're about to see is of a chimney being laid back up. The guy that's doing the work, his name is Kent. He's a great guy. He's a great mason. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kent. I've been with SC Masonry and Construction for almost 2 years now. I'm very fortunate to have a company I can work for that lets me go around, do quality work, and make the customers happy. This company lets me have a lot of freedom, and I think it's a great company to work for.